Hello, welcome back my YouTube channel. Alang ya page ya kane kajing hikai ngawanra shapi kajing ya keren bat ya tet shi samla. Lada piyok skill jing mentoy na kane ka video wat nam beglet ban share lem shiki perlok lane haying hasam jongpi wat nam glet ro ban like, share and subscribe ya kane ka channel. Alangin yes dang no. Are you at home? Kasi Pidon hayin. Yes, I'm at home. Kasi haoy ngadon hayin. I want to meet you. Kasi ngakwa ban yakendo yapi. Can we meet tomorrow? Kasi long ngin ya kendo la shy. Because I'm not free today. Kasi namar ngam like benta kasni. Where are you going? Kasi shano pinlek. No, I'm not going anywhere. Kasi em ngam lek shano ro. Actually, I have some work to do. Kasi ha kajing shisha ngadon kato kane kikam banle. That is why, if possible, we can meet tomorrow. Kasi na kata kadao la dalong kabala nginsa yakendo la shy. Yes, why not? But don't excuse tomorrow. Kasi haoy balay omlong tang ba what I doubt but la shy. No, tomorrow for sure I'm free. Kasi em la shy la tikna bed ngalek. See you tomorrow. Kasi ngin saya kendo la shy. Why so early? Kasi balay tang kata. Where are you? Kasi shano pidon. I'm on the way. Kasi ngadang don halenti. Nice to see you after so long. Kasi sngaw tanat ban yoi biang yapi. Hadin la slamba. I still remember the day I met you. Kasi nga kenmau sa ya kasmi panga yakendo yapi. It was the best day of my life. Kasi kadai kasmi ka ba bhatam ha ka ching im jonga. I'm missing you. Kasi ngas ngau kunja bahayapi. I want to be with you. Kasi ngakwa bandon rengkat batpi. We will be together. Kasi ngin sadon rengkat. I never want to spend my days without you. Kasi ngam kwa ban penlot ya kisngi jonga klam mapi. When you are not with me. Karsi Haba Pimdon Batnga I feel so lonely Kasi Ngas ngeu Kenja Bha I feel the same Kasi Ngaru Ngas ngeu Kumjo Thank you for your patience Kasi Kublai Shibon Ya Kajing Yasha Jongpi I'm happy that you are mine Kasi Ngas ngeu kumen Ba Pite Jonga You are my inspiration Kasi Pidei U Lane Ka Nong Ai Mansim Jonga Thank you for your love and support Kasi Kublai Shibon Ya Kajing E Bat Kajing Kershan Jongpi Singau Bha share Yakane Kajing Higai Sha Kiparlok Jongpi Lane Haying Hasam Jongpi Wanam Kaladru Ban like share and subscribe Yakane Ka channel Thank you for watching. Bye.